Good morning. We have an exciting trading day in front of us. We're looking at stocks like LCID. Got a lot of stocks on our watch list right now. AMD is shooting up like a rocket. This is the stock that we called yesterday, and we're making money on it already. Remember HA? Remember when we were buying HA yesterday at $10.10? I really like HA. I can see HA doing really well. Well, HA is at $10.73 now, so we're making even more money on HA today, and no other stock trading channel is calling out stocks like we do. There's no faster or better way to make money in the stock market than by joining our trading group. It's as simple as that. So all of our top stocks right here, we have top stocks like LCID, which I sent out to pro members. This stock is already going up. It's going to hit our profit target at $6.57. I'm looking for a retest here at $6.50. So if the stock goes there, that can perform really well for us. We have a CCL as well.
Stock at top of range.
This stock is also up substantially. So we have just so many stocks that are going up right now, along with a sideways market. So I'm excited to show you what we can do. CCL was one of our trades as well. As you can see, that stock has shot up from our $17 buy-in to $17.61, almost 10% in one day, which is, by the way, $1,000 profit on 10K. So HA is almost at profit target 2. Looking good. HA is our HA trade. Performing really well. All of the stocks that we called out are performing well. LCID is performing well. CCL is performing well. We just have a number of different stocks that are performing extremely well under the current market conditions. So we want to continue trading smart. We want to continue trading with our profit targets in mind. And basically, we want to just make sure that we are entering in our positions at the right time, exiting at the right time, and just overall making profitable trades in the stock market. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're going to hit next profit target on LCID very soon. Let's take a look. $6.64 is the high right now, and we have so much buying pressure coming into this stock. There we go, 665, 667. Let me delete this text real quick. $6.67 on LCID. This stock was called out yesterday for a buy-in of $6.39. The low of the stock for the day was $6.43, and the stock is already at $6.67. No other trading channel does this. No other trading channel has the proof that they actually call the stocks out a day in advance and are able to make money. And you can actually see my trades right here. And you can see me making money right now as the stock chart actually goes up along with my pro members. All the signals are right here. Okay, take some profits on LCID. I'm signaling my pro members right now. Take some profits on LCID, I'm telling them, because we are way up on our trade, and why ruin a good thing, right? LCID, take some profits now. Amazing trade, amazing opportunity to trade with my traders. I like it. This is exactly what I live for helping my traders make this kind of money in the stock market. Just look at how fast that's going up. Look at how much money we're making right now on our trades. LCID right here at $6.67. Beyond stock BYND. Look at how high this stock is going. $13.10 already. BYND just up like an absolute monster. And HA, which is a trade that we took yesterday. Remember HA? Remember when we were buying HA yesterday at $10.10? Well, HA is at $10.73 now, so we're making even more money on HA today. And no other stock trading channel is calling out stocks like we do. There's no faster or better way to make money in the stock market than by joining our trading group. It's as simple as that. If you want to join me and you want to trade with me, you can apply for a free pro trial by clicking the link in the description. I can't stress enough that if you have been losing money in the stock market and are ready to start winning trades, then you need to join our trading group. I will help you up front without asking anything in return. You enjoy what I give you, that's when you can actually pay me. That's the only time when I'll actually accept payment from you. I wanted you guys to get to see firsthand how much money you can make in the stock market if you know what you're doing, and just how good that these trades can actually be. Like how much you can actually. The stock market can be 100% predicted. Look at Beyond Stock. Look at how he predicted the rally on Beyond Stock. Beyond was called out a number of days ago. The proof is right here that we called out the Beyond short squeeze right here, the buy-in at $12, and the stock has done nothing but go up like crazy from here. My trader just notified me that our swing trade ATUS has squeezed from $2 to $2.90. So that's a good 50% profit buying in at $2, and we just made that money. So congratulations to all of my traders for being a part of this group and for trading with me. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to help my traders make this kind of money. Beyond Meat. Look at BYND stock today. Do you see how BYND stock today has actually come all the way up to our profit target at 1360? It's wonderful. It's wonderful the amount of wins that we get on this trading channel and the amount of money that we can make just knowing how to trade the stock market. Guys, join me. Stop just watching me. Stop just looking at me win trade after trade. Actually join me and see if you can make money with me, because I don't require any payment up front. I just need you to be present, and I need you to be ready to learn and receive the coaching that you need in order to become a profitable day trader. That's what I do. I teach traders to trade profitably. I help traders stop losing money in the stock market. If you're tired of losing money in the stock market, then my training is for you. If you're already making a ton of money and you just have it all figured out already, then this program probably isn't going to help you that much. But if you are looking to stop losing money in the stock market, then my training is going to help you get there. Not only with my trades, but with my training as well. You're going to learn how to trade stocks professionally and get rid of the 9-to-5 or teach your children how to trade stocks. Whatever it is that you'd like to do, I can help you do it in regards to stocks in the stock market and making money in the stock market, because that's what I specialize in, and that's what I provide my traders with every single day. Guys, every single stock that we called out went up again. HA up to a high of 1088 after we bought it $10. ASTS up from our buying at $4.61 to our profit target at $4.72. BYND from our buy-in at $12 to a high of $13.62, a $1.62 share profit here, $1.62 per share profit. CCL, we bought this stock at $17.11 and it hit profit target 3 at $17.65. That 50 cents in profit is $500 on 1,000 shares. Even if you only buy 100 shares of CCL, that's $50 profit you could have made just today by being a part of our pro group. LCID, we called out this stock right here. You can see the proof right here at $6.39, and the stock rallied to $6.88. That 50 cents of profit is a good $500 on 1,000 shares. This is only a $6 stock, so you invest $6,000 and make $500 in one day. That's not too bad, is it? If you are tired of losing money in the stock market, like Patrice, who was losing $14,000 in the stock market, stop what you're doing and click the link in the description. Stop watching this video, pause this video, and click the link in the description, because I will help you make money up front. I will help you trade profitably in the stock market and learn to trade stocks so that you can have generational wealth for you and your family, so that you can start consistently seeing your trading account grow day after day, and you don't have to look at that red in your account day after day. That red, those stocks that go down, that you buy them too high, you buy a stock and it's a bad stock and it just goes down and down every day, and you're just bag holding these bad stocks, expecting them to go up, but they never do. If you're tired of that, then click the link in the description so I can show you how to find winning stocks and show you where to buy them and where to sell them for profit. I've called out about 15 winning trades in the past 3 trading days, and we have a combined return of 130% in just the past 3 trading days. It's insane how many calls that we called that have gone up day after day after day. Look right here if you want to see the last 2 videos that I published where I live traded a number of different winning stocks as well as 2 short squeezes. And if you want to join our trading group and stop losing money, then you need to click the link below.